Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the functional group. The compound contains a CHO group, formyl group, attached to a nitrogen atom, which makes it an amide, specifically a formamide derivative. The NH is replaced by NCH3, indicating N substitution. Moving on to the next step. Identify the parent chain. The carbonyl carbon, CHO, has only one hydrogen and is bonded to nitrogen, so the parent acid would be methanoic acid, formic acid, CHO. The corresponding amide is methanamide, formamide, HCONH2. Moving on to the next step. Identify the substituent on nitrogen. The nitrogen bears a methyl group, CH3, so this is N-methyl substituted methanamide. And for the final step, construct the IUPAC name. The parent amide is methanamide, and the N-methyl substituent gives N-methylmethanamide. Why not other names? It is not dimethylamine, no carbonyl, not acetamide, that would be CH3COM2, and not N-methylacetamide, that would require a 2-carbon acyl group. The single carbon formyl group confirms methanamide as the parent. Therefore, the correct answer is N-methylmethanamide. The correct answer is shown on screen.